welcome back. So today we are going to be doing, I have no idea what we're going to be doing. I know I want to do something spring. I'm ready for spring weather. I'm ready for it to get a little bit warmer, that is not me. If y'all know me at all, y'all know my season is fall. I love fall. Second is winter, last is summer, and then like third is spring, but I'm ready for some warmer weather. So I'm in a spring mood. So I think I'm gonna be going that route. And nothing screams spring to me like pastels. And I got some pastels right here in front of me. And yeah, we're gonna be playing in some glitter this week. And I haven't played in glitter in a while. So I'm gonna be playing some this week. So if you have some pastel glitters, go ahead and grab them. If you have the exact same colors I do, that is absolutely fine. If you don't, just grab something similar. And without further ado, let's do it. I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, I've got my sanded and prepped tumbler ready to go, and I've already added a thin layer of epoxy for my glitter. I have a direction that I want to go, and for my base glitters, I decided to go for a matte look instead of a glittery look. Glittery look. I know, right? Me? No sparkles? Now, don't get it twisted, fam. There will still be plenty of sparkle later. Let cure, then we'll be ready to seal our glitter with a coat of epoxy. And with this layer of epoxy, to add some extra depth and even more coverage, I'm going to be mixing Onca into the epoxy and applying it to the tumbler. Just something I like to do to add some extra depth, but you can totally skip this step if you like. I'm totally kidding, okay? Just go ahead and do it. Do it. Let cure, then we'll be ready to add our stencils. Now, I applied glue to find my stencils under the glitter, but because I decided to forego spray painting my tumbler since it's already white and I was gonna just use white spray paint, you can see the stencils under the semi-transparent glitter. So feel free to skip this step if you decide to do the same, if you like. Seriously, okay? You don't have to do it, okay? You do not have to do this, I promise. I'll be using pastels, like I said earlier, and doing a vertical ombre, but feel free to use any colors and ombre variation that you like. I also used Fast Set to apply my glitter, so I will be immediately pulling my stencils after I'm done glittering.
Let your glitter layer cure. Seal with Krylon triple thick to make sure that glitter stays in place. Then seal with a coat of epoxy. I did 2 coats of epoxy to make sure my tumbler was nice and smooth for the holographic vinyl. I sealed my vinyl with a coat of epoxy, and I added Flower Crown from PDB into the leftover epoxy for some extra shimmer. Yes, okay, you need to do it, all right? Okay, so just do it. Let cure, then you'll be ready for your decal. I also sanded my rim during this step since we'll be getting to our final epoxy coats after this. For the bottom, there is really not a lot of room to do a lot, so I kept it pretty simple. I used a leftover stencil flower, a flower outline, and then I added my signature and sealed with some UV resin. I sealed until smooth, and then I was all done.
You guys, look at this tumbler. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. I had no idea what we were gonna do at the beginning of the week when I started this, but I just kept with it. And of course, my roots are peekaboos. I absolutely love a good peekaboo tumbler. And so this one is no different. I want to say you can't go wrong with a peekaboo. You can, but this one just turned out so stinky. Look at the hoppy spring. I mean, it almost looks like it says happy spring on there too, but I mean, both of them work, but the little bunny bottom is adorable. Oh my word. I mean, the SVGs for this are available on my Etsy shop if you want to use the same ones, or not at all. You can do something totally different. I just had fun with it this week. I just wanted something pastel, spring, bright, cheery, happy, and this is what I came up with, and I absolutely love it. It's so adorable. And y'all, this glitter, Flower Crown from PDB, I really think it just brought the whole tumbler in together. It just brought it all together. Absolutely love it. Love it. So make sure you go grab some of this from PDB. I will have the website down here below as well as a coupon code. And I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally all the things. I hope you guys have fun making your own spring tumblers, and I will see you guys next time.